This is a 2005 BMW X3. This happens to be the 3-liter, and I'm replacing the arm that should go here, which would be this one, referred to as several different things depending on model and year and everything, but either radius arm, tension strut, front lower forward control arm, but real common, the rubber bushings here go bad. These arms actually look original. There's nothing wrong with the ball joints, but what I discovered on this particular model is the replacements. There are a couple different part numbers, and the way that it's listed is really convoluted, and I will show a few documents in a proceeding clip, but the radius arm, the old style, that one, and the new style, they're the same length. From center of the hole to center of the hole is 17.5 inches. I think everything is actually the same other than the end where it attaches to the stud on the ball joint is significantly thicker on the newer one, and you can't get the old part anymore, or at least it's real difficult to find. So you have to replace the ball joint because the original stud is not, that the taper is not long enough to engage with the new thicker end on this arm. And you can see the actual length of the threads is identical, but if I line up the two ball joints here, the flange to flange, you can see the difference there. And then if I bring in the tape measure, there's about a 1/2 inch difference in the length of the taper, just so that it will properly engage. That's probably upside down, has to be because I'm filming, so that it'll properly engage with the arm and actually seat in there and be tight and not waller out and kill you. I will make a note of all the dimensions so that when you go to order parts for your car, you'll be able to just measure the part to find out what you have, to see if you need to replace ball joints or not. Because I would not have replaced these ball joints. Actually, I was going to try and salvage the old ones. These were stuck in there. Penetrating oil, torch. Couldn't use the big torch because I would have melted the rubber on everything else. Air hammer from every different direction possible, and eventually just hooked the end of a 10-pound slide hammer over the ball joint stud and just kind of hit it with everything, and finally pulled it out with that. I was worried about actually pulling the stud out of the ball joint before everything came out, but that one did come out, and got one more to do. Alright, now excuse me here because, oh, and the fan's blowing my paper away. Excuse me here because it's been a long time since I made the first part of this video. I actually forgot about it until I just found my paperwork here. This is a printout from FCP Euro, and you can feel free to pause and read through that. And then here's another one from Bimmer World over here. Feel free to pause and read through that as well. And these are some pictures I found. You can kind of tell the difference. This is from ECS Tuning, but there's the 341 and the longer 623. You can kind of tell in those pictures. And then here is from Real OEM. I'll go ahead and zoom in on all of these. Another picture. But yeah, Real OEM, you can pull this all up and see this. Sorry about this format here. This is really kind of an afterthought.
But I wanted to show that, and then I will roll in some pictures that I took of my parts once I had them removed. Thanks.